Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another hair tutorial per usual. Today, I'm gonna be trying this amazing kinky straight hair from I Like Hair. But what makes this wig even better than a regular kinky straight? It's the fact that it has kinky edges. This wig is a hyper realistic kinky edges HD lace frontal ventilated wig. It looks so realistic. It's literally crazy. It looks like real hair. It looks like it's coming out of your scalp, and I'm a little bit afraid to install this hair, but I'm definitely taking this challenge, and I definitely want to see how it comes out because this is completely different. I've never seen a wig before that has kinky curly, 4C kind of baby hairs. So let's see how it works. Literally, if you're looking for something that would look just as natural as your own hair, this is the wig, this is the unit. I went ahead and of course I bleached the knots and I put some foundation on, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the extra lace on the side so it fits ear to ear and it looks as natural as possible, like it's coming out of my scalp. That's what we want. And I'm gonna go ahead and start installing the hair. This is really scary because I've never installed anything like that, but I'm gonna try to go ahead and just use the same method of installation that I do with all my wigs. And for that, I'm gonna be using my ebine lace spray. I'm gonna do 2 to 3 coats of the ebine lace spray. I'm gonna dry between layers and make sure, of course, it's tacky enough to make sure the lace can stick to my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and slowly, of course, put the lace in place, and I'm also working in smaller sections than I usually would. I usually do 3 sections, but because I want to make sure this installation comes out good, I'm gonna do about 4 or 5 sections this time. It really amazed me how well they did with this wig. It really does look like it's coming out of my scalp, and I was so crazy and so amazed. I was like, I cannot believe this is a wig. Like, even to comb it, like the texture of the baby hairs, like the whole thing, like it literally looked so natural. I have no words.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be.
So after I'm done putting the lace in place and I put my elastic band on, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the wig itself. And for this wig, I just went ahead and give it a quick silk press with my flat iron, and I just to do a middle part for this installation. But before I start pressing the hair with my flat iron, I'm gonna go ahead with my hot comb and my wax stick to make sure the top looks as flat as possible.
Nobody else but you. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. But right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick, right around the slap me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right around the love, play, right around talking to me.
For this part of the video, there's not much to explain. I do want to mention really quick, like me personally, when it comes to kinky straight wigs, I prefer the less thick hair, because honestly speaking, kinky straight hairs usually have a lot of volume and it can be really overwhelming for me. So this one had enough, like it had 180 density, but it still was, you know, I was able to silk press it and make it look less thick and more manageable, and that's, you know, I love that.
I don't want to trust, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. Never fall out of love with you. Choo.
So the next step, it's gonna be to cut the lace. Of course, I'm gonna go slowly. I don't want to remove all of my little curly baby hairs, and I'm using a razor per usual. Like I said, when it comes to the installation, I try to do the same steps that I would do with any type of wig. So that's what I'm doing right now, just cutting the extra lace, and also gonna use a little bit of the Ebine lace sprays to make sure everything is good. And when it comes to the baby hairs, I could have left it the way it was, but me personally, I like my baby hairs laid, so I'm gonna use a little bit of gel to lay down the baby hairs with the curly hair. I think even when you lay them, they still give that realistic look, as if like I was laying down my own edges, which is really good, because that's literally what the wig is supposed to do. Like, nobody can tell me this is not my hair. Nobody can tell me this is not my edges.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's all good, it's all good. Most things that I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
So after doing the baby hairs, I still felt like something was missing, so I decided to do like very light layers on this wig. I also worked on my part. I put some concealer. I didn't show this on camera, but I did put some concealer to clean up my part a little bit more. And then I went ahead and I did layers, like very light layers, nothing crazy, nothing major, just with the scissors. I went ahead and I gave it, just because I feel like layers also give a little bit more movement and makes the hair look even more natural, because like, let's be honest, it's very rare to find somebody that has the same length all over their head. So I did a little bit of layers, and then I bumped the ends of the layers so it can look, you know, a little cute. And I loved it. I loved how it came out. It looked really natural. It looked really pretty. Honestly, nobody could tell me that this was not my hair.
Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. It like comes with the aching and getting under my skin.
Well guys, this is gonna be everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you guys wanna try this wig out, I have all the links in the description box. I also have a coupon code with I Like Hair, so if you want to purchase this wig or any other wig from their collection, you can go ahead and use my code for a 25% off discount. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys on my next video. I wish you all happy holidays, and I love you so much. Check out my other social media accounts, Instagram and TikTok. I'll see you guys on my next video. Muchísimos besitos. Mwah. Bye.